Definitely seeing quite the rainstorm tonight. I heard some thunder earlier. Not quite so sure. It's definitely colder. And a weird switch because it was all of a sudden hot. Like 80 degrees every day. Now it's coming down. Apparently it was snow on the snow caps last night, so that's interesting. Wonder if it'll clean that bowl tomorrow. I'll see how full it gets. Kind of a nice one. I feel like you could do a repeat of one of these. Just sleep on this for an hour. Whatever, like the 1 hour loop. Take 1 hour loop of these. Honestly, you could probably make